In this video, I'll show you the 5 best free QR code generators in 2026 and help you figure out exactly which one is right for your needs. Whether you want to create a simple static code, a fully branded design, or a trackable dynamic QR code for a marketing campaign, this guide covers all of it. The best free QR code generator in 2026 is TQRCG, available at theqrcodegenerator.com. It's the only free tool that gives you 2 dynamic QR codes with no expiry, unlimited static codes without any sign-up, real-time scan analytics, and high-resolution downloads in both PNG and vector formats. If you need something trackable and editable, completely free, this is where you start. Now let's talk about what to look for in a free QR code generator. One of the first things to check is whether the tool supports both static and dynamic QR codes. Static QR codes store the final destination directly inside the code and cannot be edited later, while dynamic QR codes use a short redirect URL that lets you change the destination anytime without reprinting the code. Beyond static versus dynamic, the other features worth checking are customization, specifically whether you can add your logo and brand colors, analytics access, download quality in vector formats like SVG and EPS for print, ease of use, and whether the tool comes from a trustworthy provider. The first tool is TQRCG at theqrcodegenerator.com. It's an all-in-one platform that gives you 2 free dynamic QR codes with no expiration, unlimited static codes without requiring an account, and an interface that supports multiple QR code types, including URL, PDF, vCard, multi-URL, and plain text. What makes the 2 free dynamic codes especially valuable is what you can do with them. You can create advanced QR code types that are typically locked behind paywalls on other tools, including multi-URL QR codes that lead to mobile-optimized landing pages hosted free on the platform's own servers. That means one QR code can direct users to multiple touchpoints, with full analytics tracking and unlimited editing capabilities forever. The QR code generator also has a real-time scannability feedback system that automatically evaluates whether your design choices make the code difficult to scan and alerts you in real time. No other free generator offers this feature. This prevents one of the most common mistakes people make: creating a visually impressive QR code that doesn't actually scan reliably. It also supports bulk QR code creation, making it easier to generate large numbers of codes for packaging, events, inventory, and marketing campaigns. On the customization side, you can add your logo, apply custom brand colors, choose dot and eye patterns, and add a call to action frame with text. Downloads are available as high-resolution PNG for digital use and as SVG and EPS vector formats for professional print materials that scale to any size without pixelating. While built-in security and reliable dynamic QR code management help keep your QR campaigns safe, stable, and easy to control after printing. The one limitation worth knowing: the 2 free dynamic codes display a small, the QR code generator branded splash screen briefly when scanned before reaching your destination. This is how the platform sustains the free tier. The paid plan removes it entirely. The second tool is QR Code Monkey. It's a standalone free tool focused entirely on creating highly customizable static QR codes. You can create codes for URLs, text, vCards, Wi-Fi credentials, email, and more, with rich design options, including custom logos, color gradients, and various dot patterns. Downloads are available in PNG, SVG, PDF, and EPS formats. The customization genuinely rivals some paid tools, and it doesn't require a sign-up for static code creation. For designers or marketers who need a visually distinctive static code fast, it's a strong option. However, there are 2 important limitations to know. First, it offers static codes only. There are no dynamic or editable codes, and there is 0 analytics or scan tracking. Second, some options on the site redirect to QR Code Monkey Pro's paid trial, which can result in codes that stop functioning after 14 days unless you subscribe. The third tool is Canva. Canva includes a basic QR code generator in its free plan. It generates static URL-based QR codes that integrate seamlessly into Canva's design templates, useful for posters, social media graphics, or flyers. The practical limitations are significant, though. You can only create URL-based codes, no vCard, PDF, Wi-Fi, or other types. Secondly, you cannot customize the QR code itself with logos, custom eye shapes, or dot patterns. Thirdly, a Canva account and email sign-up are required before you can download anything. The fourth tool is Adobe Express. It includes a minimalist QR code generator in its free design toolkit, intended for users already embedded in Adobe's ecosystem. You get unlimited static URL QR codes with no expiration, and downloads are available in PNG and JPG. The limitations are similar to those of Canva. URL-only codes, no customization of the code itself, no dynamic codes, no tracking, and an Adobe account is required to download anything. EPS and PDF exports require a paid subscription. The fifth tool is QR Code Generator Pro. It is a trial-based paid service that allows you to create QR codes for free during the trial period of 14 days. The platform is professional grade, supporting both static and dynamic QR codes, customization, analytics, team collaboration, and bulk creation. The downsides are codes get deactivated after the trial without clear warning, surprise annual charges when users believed they were on a monthly plan, and no accessible customer support. This platform also powers QR Code Monkey's backend, which explains the redirect issues mentioned earlier. Here is the final comparison of all the 5 tools available. The QR Code Generator, or TQRCG, stands out for genuinely free dynamic codes with no expiry, no sign-up required, customization, and vector export, making it the strongest free option with more features that unlock once you upgrade to a paid plan. So, to summarize, the best free QR code generator in 2026 is TQRCG. It's the only tool that combines unlimited static codes with no sign-up required, 2 permanently free dynamic QR codes with real-time scan analytics, deep customization, including logo and color support, high-resolution vector downloads in SVG and EPS, and a real-time scannability checker that prevents design errors before you print. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We post videos like this every week to help you get more out of your QR code campaigns. See you in the next one.